How to use Twitter drafts in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on this plus icon in the top in the bottom right corner, and then click on the tweet. When you click on the tweet, here you can see the you can type anything like this. Hello guys, like this one, and type this, and what you have to do is click back. Here you can see, when you click back, you can see the save draft or delete or save. You have to click on the save, and your draft is saved. And what you have to do is when you click on again on the plus icon and then click tweet, then here you can see the drafts in the left side of tweet button. Here you can see the, so click on the drafts, and here you can see the all the drafts that I have saved. So what you, if you want to copy this draft, so click on the this draft, and this is copied to your to the this box. So what we have to do is click tweet, and it is tweeted. So that's basically it, that how you can use Twitter drafts in 2021. You can basically save drafts, and anytime you want to tweet, or if you think that you can forgot your tweet, so you can save drafts and then tweet it later. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, leave a like below, and comment below that this video is helpful. And if you have a question, comment below. Have a good day.